Okay guys, this is Miss Spilman again from the Arkansas School for the Blind. I'm going to be making another video with you. This one is going to be kind of a tricky one, but it's going to be lots of fun. So this one is, I'm just going to call a paper cube, where you make a cube using only scraps of paper. And it's really, you really don't need that many supplies. You just need some construction paper, a pretty good bit of it. You need a ruler, pencil, scissors, and glue gun. So the first thing you need to do is to measure your paper, which I've already done, just to kind of get the measurements that I wanted. So you want to do 4 inches, but you want to measure it at the bottom, like from top to bottom. And not lengthwise. You want to do it up to top, and you want to do 2 lines. You want to do one at the bottom and one at the top, just so you know that it'll match. And then you can draw a line going straight down just to help your scissors cut straight, which is a pretty good idea. So I've already got several sheets laying on top of each other. So if you've got a really good pair of scissors, you can cut all the way through all those pieces of paper at the same time and not worry about having to measure everything again. So all I'm doing right now is I'm drawing my line down my paper so that I can cut straight. So you want to make sure you've got your lines straight, and then you want to make sure your paper's straight. So now I'm just cutting, and I've got some really good scissors, so I'm just cutting through several sheets of construction paper. Now, I'm not entirely sure how many pieces of paper this is going to take, because I've never made this before, but you want to go ahead and get several, and if you have leftover, you can always make something else with the scrap. So now I've got several sheets, and they should all be the same size. If you have like a little tiddly bit that didn't quite cut right, you can always trim it. It's no big deal. Okay, the next thing you do is to take it like this. You want to go from side to side, lengthwise again, and you want to fold it going across. You want to fold it up. You want to try and get it as even as you possibly can. Okay, that's the only thing you got to do, is just fold it like this. Okay, now this is going to make a really big cube, as you can see. Now if you want to make this smaller, you can cut these in half again, but you have to make sure that your measurements are correct. You're going to make sure that if you're making it shorter, you got to make everything else shorter. So I'm going to go ahead and fold all these. But since I already folded one, I'm not going to go through the whole process of doing this all on camera, so I will be right back.